merch search video for Flower and Garden, and we're going to start right here in the creation shop because why not? For $59.99 you can have these ugly shoes, but they do come with decorations already. You don't have to add them later. These are okay, I assume that these were Croc-offs, but these are actual genuine Crocs. Here's an apron and some gloves. It's a cute shirt. This seems a little excessive, but $29.99 for this bucket hat. It is reversible. There's a cute Loungefly, which, as you may already know, means crazy money. $19.99 for this cute pin. Not too bad. Is this cute pin, which is a multi-layer pin. Sure, that's not the actual name for it, but I'm fine with that. Only $17.99 for this pin. These are 4 in a pack, so I put them next to each other. So it's 2 on this side and 2 on that side. I could not get this to stand by itself, so I have to switch to my camera phone. Tried to stand it up here, but figment magnets. I almost said fignet magnets. Fignet maggots. Salt or pepper shaker, which is shaped like a trash can. I don't know why you want a trash can replica. $29.99 for these Turvis. They're nice, but they're no Yeti. And if you're lucky enough to have an annual pass, because you can't buy them right now, I used to, here's some exclusive items. These annual pass holder bottles, they're of course insulated. More merch. Here's Groovy Garden. This is a one-sided shirt. There's nothing printed on the back. $34.99 for these pots, which is not too bad because these have a little bit of weight to them. More Loungefly, $85.
85 bucks.
Insulated containers. $79.99 for these Spirit jerseys. You'll see both sides. I'm not really sure what they are. They're cute though. $228 this bag. It's cute, but glad I don't buy things like this. $298 for this one. Also $298 for this. Not saying that's a bargain, but you get more back for the same money.